Good morning, y'all. I have got your free and cheap coupon matchups at Dollar General for this week. So if you're interested in some free items we can pick up, then please just keep watching. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Just click subscribe, set that bell to all notifications so you don't miss a single upload. If you enjoy the video, maybe leave a like and a comment so I can thank you for watching. And if you really, really like it, maybe even hype it. Thanks, y'all. Y'all, and I did post our penny list for Tuesday. I don't really think anyone cares, but we do have food and candy for a penny. So if you're interested in that, I will link it in the description box below. If you missed the 90% off updates that start on Tuesday as well, make sure you check that out. I will also link that in the description box below. This is what I woke up to this morning out in the front yard at like 4:30 a.m. So if you guys got snow, let me know in the comments. This is not that much for us, but we're supposed to get more today, which is Sunday. Y'all, we have got our P&G spend offers. We've got save $5 on your next purchase when you spend $20 on P&G products. And then we've got a spend $15, and then you'll save $5 off your next P&G purchase. Now, either or, you could get this, or there might even be a like spend $41 as well, but I only got the 25 and the 15. Also got 5 off 25 spent on Angel Soft toilet paper. We've also got a 5 off 25 on Charmin, Bounty, or Puffs products. So I just wanted to go over these like general coupons in the beginning, and then we're going to get into our specifics now. We've got a $1 off Gain DG store coupon. You can use it on dryer sheets, scent beads, the fabric softener, or the flings. And we've got a $1.55 off Gain Flings manufacturer's coupon. So we can stack those two guys together to get $2.55 off our $4.50 bag of flings. All right, y'all, so clip both of those coupons. After we save $2.55, we're going to pay just $1.95 for a 14-count pack. You've got a $1.50 off 1 Tums 28-count or larger. I'm going to pick up the Tums Assorted Berries. This is $4 after we save $1.50. We're just paying $2.50. Now make sure to clip this $10 off to Swiffer Beauty of a coupon. It is attaching to our $6 Swiffer dusters. So buy 2 of the Swiffer dusters, it's going to be $12. After we save $10, we're just going to pay $2 for 2 boxes, or $1 per box. We've got 3 off 15 spent on all Snuggle, Purex, Persil, Soft Scrub, and Dial. And we've got a $1.25 off 1 Snuggle Liquid Fabric Softener or dryer sheets. We can pick these up for $3.75 this week, and after we save that $1.25, we will pay $2.50. $2 off 1 Purex liquid detergent. We can pick up the Purex in the 115 load bottle for $10. After we save $2, we are paying $8. $2 off 2 Herbal Essences Classics shampoo or conditioner. Now this attaches to our travel size, so if you pick up 2, it's going to be $5. After we save the $2, we will pay $3. There is a UPC for this one in case you need it. Now we've got a buy one get one free Palmolive or Ajax. For this scenario, I chose Ajax because you get more bang for your buck. Pick up 2 of the 52-ounce bottles, and you're going to pay $4. Got a $1 off 1 Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. We can pick up the 3 count for $3.25. After we save that $1, we will pay $2.25. All right, y'all, we've got a $1 off Oral-B Glide Floss. And we've got $5 off 3 Crest products that also attaches to this floss. We've got the Oral-B Floss Picks. Pick up one of these at $3.35. After you save that $1, you're going to pay $2.35. Or if you want to pick up 3 and then save that $5, you can do it that way. Alright, y'all, we've got $3 off 2 Head and Shoulders products. We can pick up 2 of the 2-in-1 Itchy Scalp Care for $10. After we save 3, we will pay 7. We've got 75 cents off 1 Gain Easy Squeeze. We can pick one of these up for $3. After we save 75 cents, we will pay $2.25. We've got $3.50 off 1 Febreze plug. We can pick up the Febreze plug for $3.50, so after that, we're going to pay nothing. Freebie, clip this $2 off Febreze Air Effects. Pick up one of the holiday scents that attaches. This is a 2-pack for $1.80. It does attach, so that's going to be free after that coupon. $3 off 1 Gain Flings or liquid laundry detergent. And we've got $2 off in the form of a manufacturer's coupon. So we can stack the DG and the manufacturer's coupon together, pick up this $15.95 Gain Flings, save $5 and pay just $10.95. $2 off 1 Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. We can pick up the $5 bottle. After that $2 coupon, we're just going to pay $3. Got $1 off 1 Crest toothpaste. Now this is attaching to the Crest 3D White Stain Eraser for $3, so we're going to pay $2 after the coupon. And here's the UPC in case you need to check if it's in your stores. Y'all, we've got $1.50 off any Dial body wash or Tone body wash. This is attaching to our travel size Dial Refresh and Renew for $2.25. After we save $1.50, we're just going to pay 75 cents. Here's the UPC for the travel size body wash. $1 off 1 Dawn Ultra Platinum or Power Suds. We can pick up the Dawn Platinum for $4.95, and after we save $1, we're going to pay $3.95. At $2 off 1 Bic razor. So we can pick up the Bic Soleil. These are priced at $7. After we save $2, we're going to pay $5. $1 off 1 Alka-Seltzer Original. Now we can pick up my favorite lifesavers is the Gas Relief Heartburn Chews. These are $5.50, so we're going to pay $4.50 after the coupon. Shrinkflation has hit our Airwick. Clip the $4 off coupon for a 4-count. So now these are $10 for a 4-count. We are no longer getting 5 for 10. We are now getting 4. So if you still want to support that and pay more for those, you can get that and pay $6 for 4 refills. You've got $6 off any 4 Colgate items. We can pick up 4 of the Colgate Total Active Prevention for $16. After we save $6, we will pay $10 for 4. Alright, y'all, we have got a coupon 2 for $15 on Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent, or you can get some other items. I feel like the laundry detergent's a better deal. Pick up 2 of the 61 load bottles, and you're going to pay $15. You've got a 2 for $11 Dollar General coupon on Cascade or Dawn. Now, I chose the Cascade because these are $7.25 each, so the math is mathin' with these. You're saving more money buying 2 of the Cascade Platinums because normally it would be around $14.50 or so, but now it's only going to be $11 for 2. Alright, y'all, that is it for this video. I will be back later. I've got some freezer resets to talk about and share with ya that start tomorrow, so if you're interested in that, check back later. Alright, y'all, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.